In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix IP address NordVPN. If websites are still seeing the wrong location, or your IP doesn't seem to change after connecting, this walkthrough will help you refresh your IP and make sure all your traffic is routed correctly through NordVPN. First, open NordVPN. Once the app is up, look to the left side and click the globe icon. This opens the main VPN view where you can see the map and the server list. Think of this area as your control center for choosing where your connection appears to originate from. Next, check that your connection is secured. In the app, you should see a clear status indicator that says connected, usually with a shield or lock icon. If you don't see that secure status, initiate a connection from the globe view. When the status flips to connected, your traffic should be encrypted and your IP should be reassigned by the VPN. Give it a few seconds to stabilize before moving on. If your IP still isn't what you expect, try switching server locations. Click all locations to open the full list of countries and cities. Choosing a different location forces the VPN to assign a fresh IP, which often resolves region or detection issues. For the best performance, pick a country close to you, or if you need a specific region, choose the country that matches your requirement. After you select a location, wait for the app to confirm it's connected to that specific server and the status shows secured. From there, make sure your apps aren't bypassing the VPN by adjusting split tunneling. Click the profile icon at the top right, go to Settings, and find Split Tunneling. Split tunneling lets selected apps use your regular internet connection instead of the VPN, which can cause your IP to appear unchanged in those apps. To avoid any mix-ups while troubleshooting, turn split tunneling off. With it disabled, all your applications and browser traffic will go through the VPN, ensuring a consistent IP across the board. At this point, you should have a secure connection, a freshly selected location, and split tunneling turned off. Give the app a moment to finalize the connection and then continue using your browser or app as normal. If something still looks off, repeat the location change from the All Locations list and reconnect until you see the expected region inside the app's connection details. That's it. Your IP should now be fixed and reflecting the NordVPN server you chose.